Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Basic. I'm Amin. Today we'll continue with the part 2 series of HTML basics. Uh, in the last video we saw how what are the basic tags in HTML. We have gone through with the header tags, paragraph tag, with the horizontal line, break line, and with we have created a button, and in there are we have gone through the different types of input tags. Today we'll learn different tags. What I will do, I'll just um, erase these tags, and we'll start with the first tag today. I'll give a title as part 2, part underscore 2. Let's save and go and refresh. Okay, in this video, as you can see, I need to save here and go and refresh here. There is another method to solve this. You need in VS Code. If you are using VS Code editor, here you can go and install uh, live server pack. Yeah, I've already installed, so I'm not getting an install version. Install button. Once you have installed this, here you right click and you'll see an option called open with live server. When you click this, it is very handy. This time it's opening. Yeah, I'll close this part 2. See here, we are getting with the IP address, local IP address, and with the file name over here. And here, no, we just have to save here and no need to refresh over here. I'll just show you. Today I'll align it, format data. Okay, here today we'll learn about list. Okay, lists. There are two types of list in HTML, that is known as UL. The UL stands for unordered list. Here UL internally contain one more tag known as LI. LI stands for list. Here how it's work, I'll just show you. I'll create one more list tag here, and I'll write it as 1, and for the second I'll write it as 2. And when I save this, here you can see I have not saved this yet, so it's showing 1. When I save this, it will get disappear. And if I go here, you can see automatically without refreshing the page, we are getting the text over here. Here it is an unordered list, so you will get this dot. I'll just zoom over here now. Yeah, now it's better, I guess. Now you can see we are getting with the list with the dots over here, because we are putting this under unordered list. Now there's another list. uh, I'll just comment here, and I'll just, for the reference, unordered list. And here below there's one more different list type, that is known as ordered list. Ordered. Okay, ordered list. I'll just create it here. OL tab, enter LI tab. I'll just write it as 1. I'll go with 3 over here. 3 LI 4. I'll just save it. And if you see here, we are getting it is starting with the number conversion. It is starting with the number. Here we are getting the dots, and here we are getting the number. This is different between OL and UL. UL will not get the numbers, and for the OL we will get the numbers in an order. If you add one more here, some LI test, I'll give ST test. If I save this, you can see the naming this thing. It's 1, 2 and 3. It is in an order. This is the hmm, um, this is one type of tag in HTML known as list tag. And next we'll go with another tags in HTML. um, uh, okay, I'll just tell you that it's known as a table tag. To create any table, we use table tag. Sorry. Yeah. here I'll just create and I'll show you how actually it looks. Table will create tr stand for table row. In table row we'll define okay, right now it's not necessary that you should start with tr, but still I'm just telling you tr known as a table row. Now here also, as html contain head and the body, same here, it's slightly it's related to the same concept. Just we have to type head, t head, it's on a table head. Inside table head I'll create t header, th I'll just create one. I'll create two, or I'll name it in an order name. Age, for example, okay, I'm taking the data of some students, class. Okay, I'll go with this thing. Here below t head we'll go with the t body. Inside t body again we can go with some, we'll go with row. Inside row we'll give td uh, table data. Inside table data again, yeah, inside table data I'll give name as Rahul. Again td, age 07, class I'll give, for example, second std. I'll save this, and if I go and if I see, as you can see, we have created a table over here. Name is known as Rahul, age 7, class second standard. Now I'll add one more table head over here. It is a table head as pass or failed. Pass pass slash fail. I'll write it as, here I'll write it as td. I'll write it as pass. I'll save this. If I go here, as you can see, we got pass or failed. Here we are getting a pass. Now it is not in a structure order. For that, to give it a beautiful structure, we have to learn basics of css. We'll see the css basics in the coming videos. Now now we have learned about the one more tag known as table tag, where it contains the table head and the body, and the table head contains a th tag, and the body contain td and tr tag. I'll just remove this tr tag. Now, okay, till now we have learned table today, and with ul tag. Okay, this is the basic tags. Now next we'll move on to other tags of html today. Here I wanted to show you the structure of a web page, how actually web page looks and what does it contain. I'll go to this web page. Here, for example, I think there is okay, I'll just tell you here. A web page contains first a header, header header, a header tag, then the main tag contains all the data. There is another tag known as aside. I'll tell you what it is. Then again it contain aside, header, and the footer. Yeah, these are the tags which usually web page contains. See, naming these headers, if you write this header tag or the main tag, will not affect anything in the web page. I'll save this, and if I go to our web page, there is nothing here. If I copy this and if I paste, just it's for the reference of any developer, or sorry, it's taking, okay, I'll cut and I'll paste over here. Okay, I'll save it. Still, I'll refresh the page. Here we are, this thing is not reflecting over here because it will not have any effect over here, because this is for the naming purpose and for the browser to know which is the header and the footer. But still, it will help you for the developer to know header comes in the header part, main data comes in the main side, everything. And here, don't be confused with this naming tags. Next, I'll leave this here. I'll comment it out. Now what I will do is, hmm, yeah, I'll just tell you about the division tag. This tag is known as a container tag. Here, it acts as a container. If you write something over here, table or something, um, yeah, I'll just tell you. I'll do brief. I'll show the actually working of div tag when we learn CSS. For the right now, you just remember that it is a container tag used to use as a container to hold all the different HTML elements. Okay. Then next, I think almost we have done with the important tags of HTML till here. Now we'll do one thing. In the next video, we'll create a sign up form or the login form, so that it will give an idea about uh, the it will give an motivation that we can create a web page with HTML. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.